Alright, let's get started real quick. This is a hairstyle video, and next time there's gonna be a how to create cool outfits video. Alright, left side. When I added a poll on Instagram yesterday, most of you guys voted for the hairstyle on the left, but more than the hairstyle on the right. Well, there's probably a good reason for that. I get a bit more creative with the hairstyle on the left. When I went on Google, I saw some cool hairstyle. I saw some cool hairstyles I like. So I drew that, took inspiration from what I saw, and this is what you get from me. Then I cut off the side of the hair, gave it a little bit of a fade, and that made this character right there. Right side. This side, I got a bit more simple with it. I had the standard anime spikes and a little bit of hair in the back. Basically, there's different ways you can go about doing this. Like when you think of all the core anime characters you see, like Goku, Naruto, Light Yagami, Death Note, gone to Hunter x Hunter. No, Killua. I'm not sure if I pronounced the name right, but he has a cool hairstyle. And there's a lot of cool anime characters with cool hairstyles. Basically, all you have to do is get a bit more creative with it. Creative with the hairstyle. Like I did on the left side, I added a long hair character with a fade on the side. I think that's better than what I originally would have did. My bad. Right side. That's a bit more simple because I just added the standard anime spikes and I added the hair in the back. Sometimes the simple hairstyle is better, but it depends on the character. But then sometimes the more creative hairstyle is better. It all depends on your opinion and personal taste. But that's basically it. If you want to create a cool hairstyle, get a bit more creative with it, like I did on the left side. Or you could do it a bit more simple, like I did on the right side. All depends on what you want to do. But that's it for this video. Need some more help? You could DM me, I guess. And that's it for this video. Next video will be how to create cool outfits video. That's it. Peace.